we divide 656 by 4 in long division method. 4 times 1 is 4. On subtracting, we get 2. So this 2 is less than 4. So we put down this 5 and it is 25. 4 times 6 is 24. On subtracting, we get 1. So again this 1 is less than 4. So we put down this 6 and it is 16. 4 times 4 is 16. On subtracting, we get 0. So 656 divided by 4 is 164. So this much for today and thanks for watching.